Hello guys, good morning. That's the sun. The sun just come out today. See, the sun is already coming out. 7:30. I want to have a sunlight before I start cleaning the house. Later, I'm gonna clean this window, a glass window in this balcony. But before I clean here, I need to clean the sala in the hallway. Maybe I'll cook first before I clean here. That when they wake up, because they're still sleeping, they can eat lunch, brunch, because they won't eat breakfast. It's direct brunch. Just cook tinola today. See, the the sun is so big, so bright. The morning, my favorite place is here. To stay here for how many minutes to have sunlight. But in the afternoon, the sun is in the other side. We cannot see the sun here. Only the moon and the star at night. Happy weekend guys. Tomorrow is Saturday again. That's the sun on top of my head, in the back. The sun is on top of my head, in the back. There. Good morning and happy Friday, happy weekend everyone. It's in the middle of January. It's so fast. How many days? It's already February. Bye guys. I just need to clean the house and cook. And I'm gonna clean this balcony later. When my alaga wake up, I need to give her food and give bath.